Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering down your PS4 and unplugging every cable from the console. Wait at least 30 seconds with the power cable disconnected before reconnecting. Check the power cable for frays and replace it if damaged. Inspect the HDMI cable for bends or loose connectors and try a known good HDMI cable. Plug the PS4 into a different wall outlet or a surge protector rated 1000J to rule out outlet issues. Power the console on and watch for lights, beeps, or blinking patterns that indicate hardware status. If normal startup fails, boot your PS4 into safe mode to run recovery tools. With the console off, hold the power button until you hear the second beep, about 7 seconds, then release. Connect a dual shock controller using a USB cable and press the PS button to pair the controller in safe mode. Choose option 5, Rebuild Database, to scan and reorganize the hard drive and repair corrupted files. Allow this process to complete without interrupting power. It may take several minutes to a few hours, depending on drive size. If Rebuild does not fix the issue, backup saved data to an external USB drive first. Initializing the PS4 will restore factory defaults and erase all user data and accounts. From Safe Mode, choose Initialize PS4 to perform a full system reset, then follow prompts to complete the process. To reinstall the system software, download the correct PS4 update file and save it as ps4/update/ps4update (PUP) on a FAT32 or XFAT USB drive. Use Safe Mode option 7 to install the system software from the USB drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.